Good morning. Am I audible?
Are you able to hear me, sir?
Thank you. Welcome back to you again. Now, in this today's session, we just start one practical session, and during practical, anything come for the theoretical purpose, so I will explain that there. Okay. So, my practical just based on the Cisco packet tracer. Hopefully, you download and install.
Yes,
Suppose,
sir.
suppose in a campus, if you want to internet. Uh, Everyone. So what purpose required? Yeah, what a scenario? How to when in a campus each and everyone give the internet. Already theoretical portion in lab visit discussed in the last session. Today just this is packet tracer. Open after this. Look like this, and you want to internet within a campus. So here just as per last video, we discuss what is the basic layout of LTTC campus. So suppose same layout is the applicable to everyone in the world. So suppose if you want to open one college and give internet to all teachers and student and all staff. So in this case, what happen? So minimum what requirement? First, we know ki what is the minimum requirement. The first requirement is that ILL, Internet Lease Line. Internet Lease Line. This is known as Internet Lease Line. Basically, this lease line at your home as a personal level. Simply, you just go to the ISP and fill up the form and as per tariff plan, make your phone and bring at home and use internet, no problem. But where a bulk of bunches of people require internet. So in this case, not one telephone line, either one Wi-Fi is sufficient. In this case, required complete lease line network. So this is the lease line network and taken by any ISP, either BSNL, Reliance, Tata, as per availability in the area. Second is the what is the bandwidth of internet depend on your pocket value, money of the value, and number of user. This is the uh, um, bandwidth. Suppose you take 100 Mbps as per our last video, 100 Mbps. So there is a tariff plan given, yeah, any ISP to public or the corporate level. So this is the 100 bandwidth, 100 Mbps. Third is required. Bandwidth depend on the your money, how many you have money, and second, how many number of user. Third requirement is the router. This is the customer edge router, C router. There are three kinds of router already discussed. One is the main router. This is the core router. Second is the provider edge. And third is the customer edge router. Customer edge router, either you purchase, either take from rent to ISP. Depend on you. Today, customer edge router is available below 1.5 lakh is also. So there is no issue, but mostly people, yeah, mostly uh, user want to key router like devices may be maintained by the same ISP, not they take own responsibility. But time now required ki everyone, if you are go for internet within a campus, so there one internet network engineer definitely appointed for this work. Okay. So customer edge router either may be purchased, either may be taken by uh, company, that company which you take the internet. Third is the fourth is the features. Features means ki how many number of customers will there, this features required. Last is that cables, LAN cables, and one more is the Wi-Fi devices. If some devices may be connected to the wireless. Okay. So this is the minimum required for any campus if you are taken internet. So first I want to take router, how to here go here some basic idea. So how to selection of devices in this simulator? So there the first is the router. You move here in the on the screen. You move your mouse to what is devices you can see here. This is the router. This is the switch. This is the hub. This is the Wi-Fi and that. So you click on the router. There are various kinds of router is available. All router is a similar, like a scooter and bike. All are the same. What is different? Their look and their efficiency. In bike, you can purchase either 80cc, 100cc, 150cc. All are the same purpose. But as per your money, as per efficiency, you can increase their cc. So same is the all router are the same. As per requirement, you can purchase. But in the market, minimum starting router is 2811. In this, because this is simulator, not 100% uh, proper everything given, because they also corporate, no, they want to the selling something. So they just give the demo type. You can say this simulator just like demo type only. But minimum demo is sufficient for as a student, as for introduction. Yeah, who is the first time go for the internet. So this is the router. Just take and put here. 2811 is the automatically complete. You can write LTTC CE router. Okay. And this router is connected to the ISP router. This is the provider is FP router. You can say ISP, provider is P, all are the same. So you take another one more router, but here is no other router. 2911 is also okay. But we take here 2811 and click here. Give the nomination of this router is this is the ISP. This is the P, sometime P router. And here you just assume key this router from BSNL. Okay, na? You can directly any ISP that any ISP. Okay, for your okay. And in the campus, this is the campus. If you want extend more than user, definitely required switch. One switch, another switch. Select first number of switch is here. Take in this because first number of switch is the automatically everything completed and not needed to any other installation. Other router is also important, but switch is also important, but there needs some configuration. But you are using the first time, so definitely take the first number of router, it automatically completed. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, if you want to the just like in the last session, we describe about the LTTC server lab. The same here make in the server lab, there is one router and distribution local more required the switch. One switch you can take more than one switch. They are depend on the number of user, how many user in the campus. Okay. And some devices required to here in the last row, you can check here. I see here here the just click computer, laptop, like a lot of devices available. So you can select one computer, one laptop, one more computer, one laptop. Another side also required some computer for the complete networking. So here just I take one computer put here. In the campus, some user connected through the Wi-Fi. So definitely there is Wi-Fi is also required. So just again here, router switch, this is the hub and then go for the wireless. Click here. The first is the access point. This is the first Wi-Fi. You also select this first number one and put here. So this is the Wi-Fi and some devices also required to connect the Wi-Fi. Just again click you in the user. This is the computer, laptop, server, telephone, and this is the wireless tablet. You click here under tablet. Okay, and put here. One is the mobile phone, click here. Because there is the no password in this Wi-Fi, So it is automatically connected to the tablet and mobile phone. But in the real world, Wi-Fi should be password protected. It is the first rule of any Wi-Fi. It not open to anyone. So if anybody connect from this Wi-Fi, so first we make the how to make in this packet tracer. This is basically Cisco packet tracer. So every device um, manufactured from the Cisco company. And Cisco company, Cisco Wi-Fi is also available. Look like this as per your screen. This is the look like this is Cisco packet. And uh, go to the config and go to the port 0. There is a two port, port 0 and port 1. Port 0 basically this is the Wi-Fi part. And port 1 is the this is the wire part. So how to connect this connect to this from Wi-Fi. Okay. So again come back here. First connection not here discussed now. We just here discussion about how to wireless connected to password protection. So just go to the port number one. Port number one, yes. Port number one is the wireless connectivity. So SSID means ki anybody search out ki what Wi-Fi is available nearby. So when mobile open and go to Wi-Fi, so a lot of signal will be there and there's some name. So you can change your name. Just here put Nathan. Okay. So this is the look like everyone when searching this campus area. The one Wi-Fi is there. That is the known as the Nathan. And second is the password. So you what is the password? Just click there are very many kinds of the password. This WEP and WPA, WPT. These are the kinds of the password. So just here now take WEP, different kinds of password. A lot of Google Baba and different handout is available. So you can make a separate and go study. There is no issue because complete theoretically. Just here practical for purpose. WEP that key. Just click what total decimal number of pipe. Total decimal number of pipe. Just 1 minute. Okay. So here you can see a total number of hecta and hexadecimal password digit. In the real world, basically directly nobody go for the hexadecimal. Just like any password combination of the 10 or 12, 8 digit, maximum 12 digit current time. So accordingly for a small, big letter character, they may be selected. There is no issue. But in the reality, inside the actual password is hexadecimal. If suppose I password LTTC as the rate 123 for the public domain, but it automatically converted real, this is hexadecimal. So real password is the hexadecimal. So now how many digit of hexadecimal password? Here just show 10 digit. So here write A, B, C, D, E and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 10 digit password and close. So now this Wi-Fi is password protected. If you want to connect your tablet, either your mobile phone, so definitely just click here and go to the configure and password will be implemented as per information. Okay. So just go to wireless and what is types of SSID? First you change Nathan. Okay. And password WEP type A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now close. So now this tablet, you use the and password. So it will be connected. Same you can do for mobile phone, a smartphone. Just go to the config. Again wireless. And here also put Nathan. And password WEP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also connected. So how to password make here protection in this video you can see. And generally our laptop, because now current time every laptop by default Wi-Fi. But earlier laptop is not Wi-Fi. So how to make Wi-Fi device that laptop? Suppose I take one more laptop because this the packet tracer is old base, because they realize ki reality is like old type. So now this click on laptop, and just in this laptop, this is the LAN portion. This LAN cable for internet connectivity. There is no Wi-Fi. First we close power close and remove this. Just move and sleep. Just move and leave. Okay. So this is now free. And this is the WPC. This is by default. Click here. This is a new module. And their look like direction is here. And what is meaning of this module? Yeah, this insult called detail is here. So upcoming time when we go any practical, yeah, if job any join, so then it is required to detail. But here only I want to Wi-Fi. So just click here WPC. This is the Wi-Fi 2G wireless interface suitable, and look like this. Just catch it and leave it, and again power on. So now my Wi-Fi, this laptop is the Wi-Fi laptop. Okay. So now I want to connect this laptop to this Wi-Fi. So just click here and go to the either config. Here is also you can change same. Otherwise, one more option is available. Just go to the desktop, because the laptop, so there are a lot of options is available how to connect wireless devices. So just click here, PC wireless. Now click here and go to the connect. So here all available Wi-Fi signal will be here. So you can see here Nitin is available. Just click here and go to connect. So he required the password. So you can connect password A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as per our, and connect and close this. Okay. So this is the also connected to wireless. Okay. So this is a basic idea how to selection of the devices, and this is a complete campus. In complete campus, we need one router, and then you need to switches and devices and Wi-Fi connection, basic idea. And the tomorrow session, tomorrow is not possible, and next session will on the Monday. The first we do it. So in next session with connection, we learn about connection. How to connect this router to this, and this connect to the router switches, and one switch to another switch, computers. Okay, this is a connector. So this is a complete connection. In the next session, we go for the connection level and this connect. Okay. So today just we open the packet tracer, select of the devices, and just and save that. So I save for you. Now clean. Now this is the save. And go desktop. One more folder for you. 18. ठीक है ना? So this is now I just save Day-1 Nitin. Okay. Save now. Okay. So Nitin, you can make this how to work, na? And we
Yes,
can
sir.
make on Monday. Okay. Because
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
next 2 device not available. Okay. So Monday
Okay,
again,
sir.
and 4 or 5 section maximum possible. It is completed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.